How to fix Samsung Smart TV remote not working. Step number 1. Check and replace the batteries. Open the battery compartment. Slide the cover off the back of the remote. Replace with fresh batteries. Remove the old batteries and replace them with new ones, ensuring they're inserted in the correct orientation. Test the remote. After inserting new batteries, try using the remote to see if it responds. Step number 2. Reset the remote. Remove the batteries. Take the batteries out of the remote. Press the power button. Hold the power button on the remote for 10 to 20 seconds. Reinsert the batteries. Place the batteries back in and try using the remote again. Step number 3. Check for infrared IR signal for IR remotes. Test with a digital camera. Point the remote at your phone's camera or another digital camera. Press any button on the remote while looking at the camera screen. Look for a flashing light. If you see a light flashing on the camera screen, the remote is sending an IR signal. If not, the remote may be faulty. Step number 4. Repair the remote for Bluetooth remotes. Stand close to the TV. Bring the remote close to your Samsung Smart TV. Press and hold the return and play pause button. Hold the return and play pause buttons simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see a pairing message on a TV screen. Confirm connection. Once repaired, test the remote by navigating the TV menu. Step number 5. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV. Disconnect your Samsung TV from the power outlet. Wait 30 seconds. Leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds. Plug the TV back in. Reconnect the TV to the power source, turn it on, and test the remote. Step number 6. Try using the Samsung SmartThings app, Alternative Control. Download the Samsung SmartThings app on your smartphone, open the app, connect it to your Samsung TV, and use it as a remote control until the physical remote is fixed or replaced. Check for physical damage. Inspect the remote for any visible damage such as cracks or stuck buttons, which might be causing it to malfunction. Step number 8. Contact Samsung support if needed. If the remote still isn't working after trying these steps, it may be damaged or defective. Contact Samsung support for further assistance or consider purchasing a replacement remote.